Locked-Right is a new patent-pending tool that tests and corrects poorly mounted strike plates. To reduce the possibility of credit card home invasion, this tool is precise, quick, and simple to use. First, to test, completely insert the Locked-Right tool into a closed door at the door bolt position until stopped by the door sill. Next, mark the vertical position of the tool on the door frame. While squeezing the tool, remove the tool and open the door. Last, return the grip tool to the door frame and slide it along the vertical mark until, again, it is stopped by the door sill. Now test to see if the clear template pilot holes are directly atop the strike plate fastener holes. If so, your door lock is credit card entry protected. If not, you can reposition the strike plate yourself using Locked-Right, or hire others to do the work and use Locked-Right to accept the work. For the full story, visit www.lokt-rite.com.